Welcome back to another episode of Hell Let Loose with Cliffbruce Heavy Breathing Edition, where my microphone is too close to my face while I'm sniping. This is going to be a highlight reel from early June, and again, I have to warn you, there is heavy breathing. Oh, he's in the bunker. Got him. Move.
Tank's about to fuck me up.
I wish you luck.
Got fucking team killed.
Hey, I'm on your team.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that garrison over there, you can take that with me, I think.
Yeah, just watch over me. I'll head after it. Watch on it right now. Just resetting themselves.
Fair enough. Thank you. There's people on the bunker. Copy. I got infantry in the hills.
Ooh, that might have been a sniper shot that just got me.
I got him.
Recon on my mark. Right, the recon right there on my Charlie mark, sitting right on.
Got him.
Hey, that fucker was close.
Jack and I drive a tank together, but first, more dings. These are two examples of what to do and what not to do when someone is satcheling your tank. Enjoy.
Our back. I'm gonna start moving. We got a dude right behind us. He's trying to satchel us. I'm gonna get out. Got him.
You rock, man.
Thank you. Infantry, 11 o'clock.
Got him.
Some guy satcheled us. I'm getting out. How do you get it? I can't get it off. Oh my god. 1 sec. Okay, we just gotta bail on this. Get away from the tank, yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go down with the tank. I want to get this heavy that's coming at us. There we go.
Nice. I passed that blown out plane. That was interesting.
Hi, Jack.
Heyo.
That's me on the road in front of you.
In front of us as well, right directly in front of us, to the left. Ping it for me. See it?
Back to more dings.
Oh yeah.
Big 10.
Puma has potentially found me up here on
Yeah, I'm coming.
unable to move.
Alright, let's roll.
Are you guys getting supplies or? Oh, you're stuck.
What the fuck? There's a guy with a machine gun to our left.
Sorry, I didn't see it the first time.
Thank you. Yo. Yo, you got a bandage? Yo, dude.
Yeah, I got one.
Thank you. Let me enter squad. Yes.
That like we all say we want to be happy, but happiness is fleeting, and it depends. You can't be 100% happy all the time. Welcome, Cliff.
Hi. What did I walk in on?
I found supply.
Sometimes you throw really good grenades, and then there's sometimes you don't. Here's an example of the latter.
Oh dear.
Every now and then you run into another player and you just go, damn, that guy is badass. Hammer, you were badass, and it was a blast playing with you. Yo, Hammer, let's push up. Let's take that house up ahead. Yo, dude, you're badass. Me and you have been fucking shit up. No, I jinxed us. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my. I'm pulling back. It's scary out here. Hammer, there's a tank coming! Oh, fuck. Godspeed, Hammer. You've made it through the wheat field. Fly free.
We have an engineer. I think our tank needs repair. Can you repair that truck? That tank? this engineer. Set quickly. We need to repair a tank.
Is that how I go out?
Most of them is too honest, but no, I'm dead ass serious.
I believe it.
So like they were like, yeah, you're no. I was like, oh, sign it. Literally right after I didn't become a cop, the whole Ferguson, Missouri thing.
That was pretty fucking quick.
I'm gonna go for faster though. Yeah.
What, right now?
Huh?
He's talking to his mom.
Mom?
Hey.
I said doing drinks and chugs. Do that.
Hey, tell your cool dad we said hi.
Boom on the left.
You want to put a marker down? Where you want?
Bad. Ooh, the guy I just killed. Buddy, it's so satisfying when you get that fucking ping. Got their OP that's back. Oh my god, this guy's so fucking bad. Where do you want us to go? Field. Shotties.
Yeah. Shot fun.
Got one.
Losing Hamlet.
Sounds like they're behind me too. Got another OP.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. Come here, let me tickle you. How's the tickles? Answer me, how are the tickles?
Who are you talking to?
I figured that was the case. Oh shit, watch by the tank, tiger tank.
Fucking guard behind.
Got both of them. Where is that guy? It's right here.
I see
right here.
I see the guy at top of church. Hey, don't forget about cemetery, guys.
What cemetery?
They cap in cemetery.
Oh, got him. Ding. One shot.
Better build that Gary on the blue side.
Oh, fuck that
Left
guy.
side, baby,
Fuck
left.
this guy in his face.
Okay.
So fucking hard.
Oh, I like it.
Are you shooting?
Oh,
at him?
imagine.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Good,
There's a
good.
guy trying to shoot at me.
Try to mark shit if you can.
He was like right there.
Okay. Oh yeah, I see him. I think I got him.
Nice.
No, 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 there's more. There's more.
Let me get my binocs out and have a look.
There's an MG right on my mark.
Oh, there's a garrison right there.
Okay. I'm gonna move up a little bit more. Get behind that bunker.
I just marked enemy garrison. Very accurate. Over.
Alright, I'm gonna get behind.
D-mark garrison is very accurate.
Oh yeah, I see it. Okay, I got that MG. Pushing up towards it.
There's a lot of guys at that bunker.
Okay.
Break. There's a few of them just around there.
Oh yeah, I see him. I got one.
Oh, one popped his head. I did.
Yeah, you got him. Got him.
Yep. There's a male machine gun right beside me. Got him.
Nice, nice. I'm pushing up towards that garrison. Where is it?
It's still. My mark is very accurate.
Okay.
It's like right there.
Oh yeah, they just spawned on it. I just threw a grenade. Shit.
Oh fuck.
Oh yeah, man. Is that a tank? Oh, I just got one.
I'm putting down an OP in a really spicy area. It got destroyed immediately.
Okay, I got that garrison.
Okay, there's guys right behind us.
Yeah, I'm just laying down here.
I don't know.
Okay.
No, there's a guy.
Oh, I see
Oh,
him.
got another one?
Yeah. One in the window of the bunker. I think I got him. Or the. Sure. Hello.
B. I don't know if I killed him, but there's a guy who killed me. I think the guy who killed me killed
Got
you.
him. I got him.
Which?
Okay, I got one off the gun.
Strawberry likes anal beads. Over.
Two off the gun.
Just simply what marks
Oh.
would that be? Sorry, I don't know this one.
Just tell me where they are.
Oh.
I'm so bad at this game. Sorry, dude.
That's fine, thank you very much.
Contact 7.
Oh my god, that almost hit me. Holy fuck.
Recon plane in 20 seconds, 15. On new bridge. Is that a friendly? I'll give you a recon plane in 10 seconds.
Well, I'm killing guys on the bridge, but they're
Defending guys, thank you.
certainly engaging.
Watch out for the garrisons or OPs.
I'm out of
Garrison's
ammo.
hot at this point here.
Fuck. That was a good run.
Holy shit. Thank you for watching. Breathing.
Yeah, I hear a BAR.
Hit that like and subscribe button for more content, and I'll keep being an idiot for you all. Thank you.